just look at this little fish right here. And you don't really notice it at first, but yeah, he's tied to a string right there. Nope, it's not a real fish. This is what they call a fake fish. And yeah, now he'll just start looking fake. Just look at that. But in any case, yeah, he's fooled a lot of people around here. That one there at the back, well, I guess that is a real fish right there. And I think he's been fooled by this one. But yeah, that's something you don't really see it until you notice it. Okay, so these are the little kittens that this mother cat had a while ago. And she actually took them away. And then the people found them again. So she's back, she's being watched, and she's raising her little ones. But we are going to start getting them spayed, the mothers, because there is quite a few around this area. And you do need them there, so we'll bring them back after that has been done. But it's not going to be that easy, but we'll get it done. And they are absolutely gorgeous and growing up so fast. So seems like they're making a movie over here. Well, I did drive next to that car a while ago when we came in, and I waved at the people, so and they waved back, so I guess they're making a movie. We'll just see what movie it's going to be when it comes out. Our filling stations here in South Africa, it is much easier to fill up your tank. We got someone who helps us to do it. I see most people in, well, all over the world, they have to do it themselves.
Is it?
Yeah.
Like when you arrive, so you gotta program it for yourself.
Yes. And then you go inside and you pay. But here in South Africa, we've never done that. Okay, so 85.425 liters of petrol, 1,459 rand, and yeah, that is what you pay for it. And that's for 95 octane. Yes, I've got 2 here. Took them off already. And they're quickly pumping my wheels. And then we're ready to go again. Okay, so the monkeys are just quickly trying out the cat's new climbing frame. And Minnie is here. She's visiting today. And here she is. And now she is. She wants to bite me, and she does. And she is a little biter. There goes the phone. And that's something about Minnie. She likes to bite. But we'll teach her not to do it. But yeah, for now, she remains the biter. And little Bella's right here, just checking if she can find a fly or a little insect or something around here. And she's always such a pleasure. Little Chloe. No, this is Minnie. This is the biter. This is Chloe. She's just climbing around here. But the thing is with the monkeys, they have trouble with the fur. They don't like fur. And this is designed for cats. The cat nails can hold on to it nicely. But the monkeys has got hands. So the monkeys can also have something like this. But it needs to be a totally different design. But for now, this is going to go over to the other side. And I'm going to make a cat room. And there we can have a whole lot of cats in. Minnie, shall I say, little biter. Well, they are growing up so quick. And I just gave them a little fine tuner with water. So they get a lot of fluids in. And just look at them go. They love it. And yeah, I put Daisy outside because she would just gulp all of this up in 1 second. So I'm going to start closing this glass door that I have right here. And the cats are going to be able to come here. Well, I see they've been here last night already. So I'm going to be turning this place into a kitty room. And it's going to be a nice kitty room. They've got a nice big window over here looking out to the tigers. And toys everywhere. And I want to actually extend this thing up over there, move that over, and I've placed that, well, those sticks with the leaves on over there, because on the inside it's a walkway. Now that window over there can open and they will be able to exit there onto the castle bed that is in the upstairs area. And from there they can access the third story, which is, well, something like this. It's a yard. And yeah, I'm just going to have to extend from here so they can walk up there. Daisy, yes, you're not coming in here because you eat everything. And then they will be able to access that area up there and enjoy it. They can actually then go to the top floor by bypassing the dogs. They don't need to ever walk past the dogs. Although I'm going to have to allow the dogs to see them quite often because they need to get along. I mean, you can't have cats and dogs without them knowing about each other. That is not going to happen. But the chinchilla cage at the moment, it is still working fine, but it does get a bit dirty. But I want to move it out. I want to get a little bit of height right in here to get them to be able to go up. Diego still asleep right there. Let's quickly check him out. And I'm going to have to close up here on certain places so that the little ones can't sneak out. But that's no problem. Can all be done. Still haven't cleaned up over here this morning. All of, well, the dishes that is left after the tigers did their little experiment yesterday about the cat food. But, oh, Enzo is up. Enzo key. So, yeah, the storm just came up so quick and just left everything like that. And it's time to go clean up inside here. But in any case, we'll see what happens today. I've got a few ideas. Oh, man. A little bird. Can you believe it? Yeah, computer cat. I don't know how that happened. I'll just check this out. You never know how this happens, why the cat would catch it, because they don't really come and sit down here. But yeah, that just goes to show, you never know what's going to happen. It can be a perfect day, and then, well, that happens. But in any case, I can see Katas has got that look on her face. Was that you, Katas? Well, in any case, I'm going to take this little bird away. Doesn't look like yeah, well, he's been dead for a while. Enzo, look at this little bird. They caught one. Enzo. He just needs to get there. What's this, Enzo? Little bird. Yeah, I show Enzo all these little animals and things that I don't know why. I just think he learns from every single one. I think he develops into the perfect tiger, and unfortunately things like this happens, and we don't really have much of a choice. And at least I'll show it on a video, then this little one can be remembered. And if I was here when anything happened, well, I would have tried to save him, but it's not always possible. But I do save a lot of animals. People don't really know, but I save 3 to 5 animals a day. And that is from mice to, well, just about anything you can think of. Lizards, Oh, birds. Let's see when Diego comes down. I'll show him as well. These don't worry about a thing. They just keep on going. Diego! Diego! Just quickly saying hi. Look at this, Diego. What is this? Diego! Sun is coming out. He just walks to this side. He's going to go check if there's anything left in the bucket. Diego, what's that? I know a lot of people tell me that there is parasites and things on the birds and I shouldn't let animals get in contact with them. But I think exactly the opposite. I think they need to build up an immune system against whatever such a bird can carry. Now, that's also why I've been doing this constantly all the time. It's not that I've done this the first time now, but I'm not going to let him eat him, but I am going to let him just smell him. And he wants to lick him. Little kitty cat right there. Okay, that's enough. Yeah, so I think it's very important that everything you have living on an area like this needs to get familiarized with everything that is on the property. I mean, you cannot expect a dove that carries something to be eaten by a tiger if he's never had any contact with something like that, because they are going to get something sooner or later. I know this big window over here, a lot of birds have flown into it over the last 10 years, almost 10 years, and then they fall down, and they normally fall down inside the tiger's enclosure, and then the tigers has got them. There's nothing you can do. Most of the time the bird is dead. That is probably what happened to this one, and it just falls down, and the cats and the dogs can get them. No, they don't eat them. That's why it is strange. If they wanted to hunt them, they would have ate them, but they don't. So yeah, I have had my fair share of birds that flew into this glass, and that is why I also put stuff on it, and I don't like to get it perfectly clean, because it is just a problem. It's okay. But yeah, in the beginning, tigers did eat those birds that fell down, some of it, but they don't do it anymore. They know they get their food. They know they don't need to eat that. Okay, and it's that time again. We've got a wasp flying around here, and the dogs are just going ballistic. Tracy is the only one that's confident enough to jump into the pool to go and try and catch the wasp straight out of the pool. It's just she's not able to reach when she does that. Arthur, he is the jumper. But yeah, wasp is gone. Right, now we're going to have some silence again. In 10 seconds, I suppose. Well, just get a look of this. The little ones right here, they are already starting to play. I think they are bigger than we thought. They were so small the other day, but they're growing up so quick, and they're just gonna love playing inside here. Now, they just need to get used to it. Look at Sissy over there. She is ready to play. Oh, and he fell right over to the front, even worse than to the back. But in any case, they are just walking around here, getting familiarized with this. And like I said, I'm going to extend this, but I don't want to extend it already now. I'll see what I can do to get them to go to the top up there, because they will be bypassing the whole area of the dogs. And just look how clever they are. And here comes the little black and white one. He's still wet because he just ate a lot. And he's just scrubbing up against everything here. He's absolutely perfect. Just look at him. These two are playing already. Let me just put him there by his little friends. And yeah, Daisy wants to come this side, but I'm not gonna let her, because she just wants to eat everything. All the food, as soon as you put it down, she eats it. But Computer Cat is right here as well, and they're all just running around having a good time. Well, these kittens are so quick to adapt. It's unbelievable. But they're doing great. Tiger's taking a walk there, and everything is just perfectly fine. So yeah, I'm gonna leave these kittens to play, and they can take a nap a little later. But yeah, when they start playing with different generations of cats, that's a little hard. Sissy, you can't play that hard with him. He just ran off. But yeah, they all go through it. They want to play. And just look at that. He decided no, rather run. But yeah, they are entertaining themselves right here. They're going to have a great time. He wanted to be there. Let me just put him up there. But I don't want him to climb too high, because if he drops, he needs to land on something. Daisy! She wants some attention. But yeah, no, I'm going to rather bring you down first. You can go up there in a few days. But yeah, everybody's doing great. And yeah, they're going to just enjoy all the things that is around here. And Enzo, well, is walking. He's going to take a quick 2 or 3 kilometer walk, I guess. Because he walks right from the one side over to the other. And he really enjoys it. And Diego, well, he does just the opposite. He's going to take a quick walk from the one side to the other side, then go back to bed. Well, guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed that. And like always, have a great day.